Audio Jungle.
Welcome to Good Cooks. Today we will learn how to make tandoori chicken without using an oven. Let's start. In a bowl, add 1 cup of curd, 2 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1/2 tablespoon pepper powder, 1/2 tablespoon Garam Masala Powder, 1/2 tablespoon Turmeric Powder, 3 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 full lemon juice, few dried fenugreek leaves, a pinch of food color. Mix everything well to form a paste. Over the chicken. Marinate the chicken with the prepared paste. Place the marinated chicken in a bowl and leave it for at least 4 hours. After 4 hours, place a pan in the stove and add 2 tablespoons butter. Add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Place the marinated chicken over the pan. Shallow fry the chicken for 2 minutes on one side. Shake the pan or move the chicken frequently. After 2 minutes, flip the chicken over the other side and cook for 2 minutes. Press the chicken and cook it for 2 minutes on one side and flip it over the other side. Repeat this step until the chicken is fully cooked. It will take approximately 15 minutes to cook the chicken completely. The chicken is completely cooked. Now, take a charcoal and heat it by placing it on the fire. Place the chicken in a bowl and keep a small tumbler or pot in the middle. Place the heated charcoal inside the pot. Add few drops of oil to create the smoke. Close the bowl for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the bowl. Now, the tandoori chicken is ready to serve. Serve it in a plate with salad and mayonnaise. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.